Align, heal, and manifest under the moon with this guided healing manifestation and chakra alignment meditation for the last new moon of 2024. This isn't just any new moon, it is the last one of 2024 and a black moon in Capricorn. Its energy is amplified for new beginnings, and tonight we'll harness this celestial power to align our chakras, release blockages, and set intentions for the year ahead. Imagine stepping into 2025 with balanced energy, clarity, and purpose. This is your moment to make it happen. Namaste, Radiant Souls. Welcome to this powerful new moon meditation where we'll align our chakras to heal, manifest, and prepare for a transformative 2025. Chakras are the energy centers in our body. They govern our physical, emotional, and spiritual well being. When they are aligned, we feel aligned with our true purpose. This session is perfect for anyone seeking emotional release, spiritual growth, clarity in their goals, or simply a deep sense of peace. With a unique blend of chakra alignment, visualization, NLP, and grounding techniques, we will unlock the full potential of this black moon energy. So, what are you waiting for? Let us dive in. Begin by sitting comfortably, feet firm on ground. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale for 4 seconds, filling the air in your body and feeling the air filling in your body. Hold for 4 seconds, feeling the stillness within, and exhale for 6 seconds, releasing every tension and stress. Picture yourself standing on fertile ground under the night sky. A soft golden light from the black moon shines upon you, connecting you to the earth and the cosmos. The moon is black. It's not visible, but you can feel the energy, and that energy is taking the form, the shape of that golden light. Imagine this light entering your body through your feet, moving upward and gently touching each energy center within you. Feel your 7 chakras light up, one by one, as this moonlight travels upward. From the root chakra as the base of your spine to the crown chakra situated at the top of your head. Affirm to yourself, I am grounded, I am safe, I am aligned. Now we'll focus on clearing blockages and activating energy flow in each chakra. The first chakra, situated at the base of your spine, is root chakra or the Muladhara chakra. It focuses on security and stability. Visualize a glowing red light at the base of your spine where your Muladhara or root chakra is situated. Imagine roots growing into the earth. These roots are anchoring you. Affirm, I am grounded. I am safe. I am secure. Now move towards the second chakra, which is sacral chakra or Swadhisthana chakra. It is 4 fingers down your belly button. It focuses on creativity and emotions. See an orange light swirling below your navel. It is dissolving emotional blocks. Affirm silently, I flow with creativity and joy. Now, move above your belly button, just 2 fingers up, where your solar plexus or Manipur chakra is situated. It focuses on confidence and power. A golden light, bright equivalent to the sun's energy, is there at your stomach, your belly button. It is radiating strength and self-worth. Affirm, I am powerful and worthy. Now, we are moving to the heart chakra or Anahat chakra. It focuses on giving and receiving love and compassion. Envision a green light in your chest, as green as an emerald. It is expanding with each breath that you are taking. Affirm, I am open to giving and receiving. Now, the next is throat chakra or Vishuddha chakra, which focuses on communication and truth. It is exactly situated where Bhole Baba or Shiv Baba has blue color in his neck area. Imagine a bright blue light exactly at the same place in your throat, clearing your voice and thoughts. Affirm, I speak my truth with clarity. The next one is Ajna chakra or third eye chakra. It is situated between your eyebrows where we apply tilak. It focuses on intuition and insight. Visualize a deep indigo light at your forehead, exactly where you apply tilak. Feel your intuition sharpening. Affirm, I trust my inner guidance, my intuition. Now the last one, last but not the least, because it is your crown chakra, Sahasrara chakra. It focuses on spiritual connection. See a violet light at the top of your head, connecting you to divine energy. You are establishing a divine connection. Affirm, I am aligned with the universe. Now, let us manifest your desires using visualization and affirmations. Close your eyes and see yourself 1 year from now living your dreams. Picture the details vividly, where you are, what you are doing, how you feel. And imagine each chakra glowing brightly, supporting your vision. See the energy flowing freely through your body, fueling your goals. Now affirm, I am aligned with my highest potential. I manifest my dreams with ease and grace. I am ready to receive all that is meant for me. Now we have reached to the closing ritual and gratitude practice. Place a glass of water under the moonlight tonight. And before keeping it there, hold it in your hands. As you hold it, visualize your intentions infusing into the water. Affirm to the water, speak into it. With this water, I embody balance, clarity, and abundance in my life. Keep it for moon charging throughout the night. Drink it the next morning, welcoming the energy of alignment. And like always, let us end this particular session with the highest energy of this universe. That is gratitude. First of all, thank yourself for being so aware to use this energy for your own benefit. Then thank the moon. हमारे चंदा मामा को थैंक यू किए बिना ये सेशन पूरा नहीं होने वाला. And the universe for always standing by your side, listening to you and giving you what you desire. Speak silently and affirm. Thank you for the lessons of 2024. Thank you for the energy of this new moon. Thank you for the opportunities awaiting me in 2025. Thank you for the energy of this moment. Thank you for the alignment I feel within. Thank you for the blessings of the year ahead. Congratulations on aligning your chakras and manifesting under this powerful new moon. Feel the balance, clarity, and empowerment within you. If this session has resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video to support this channel. Comment below which chakra you will focus on nurturing in 2025. Subscribe for more self-healing rituals and guided meditations. Share this with someone who needs chakra alignment tonight. Until next time, sending you love, light, and blessings. Namaste. See you next time in the next session of healing, meditation, and manifestation with Upasana Gautam.